well, we are back for challenge night. I am so tired today. I had some windows installed. I got up like 2 hours earlier than I normally do. So I'm a little tired. We'll see how this goes. Oh boy, I'm sorry. That is unfortunate. That is not what you want to have happen immediately. Oh boy, I'm sorry. So anyways, we got a neat little course. It has 2 Joker lap sections. Oh my god, I just lost all kinds of traction. Tires must be a little cold. So the Joker lap is taking this section straight, and then there's like, you'll see here in a second, these cones over here on the left. We got to take the left side of the cones if we take the Joker there. Just because it could be a disaster if we don't. It is an interesting course. It's similar to things that we have done before, but like, oh boy, sorry Clay, sorry bud, oh boy, sorry. Whoa boy. Oh, I probably should have just went, instead of trying to fight this. This is probably not a winning battle here. Maybe it is. Maybe we got this. Okay, good. Okay, good. We passed. We passed. Okay, we want as much open space as possible. So the interesting thing is we kind of entered this at a spot we're not really used to. We don't really enter this turn very often at that spot. Oh boy, my tires are still a little cold. Can't take that at full speed yet. We are going to try to keep as much free real estate in front of me as possible, which I think I'm going to have a lot of. I can't really see what 6 laps. Okay. Can't really see what lap we're on, is what I was about to say. Oh man, the tires are still sliding through there. In practice, I was able to take that at full speed. Okay. I'll probably take one next time just to get around him without, Okay. Okay, Clay. Okay, bud. Okay. I wonder if you've probably taken 1, right? I think you've probably taken... There's no way you've taken 2. If he doesn't take 1, I probably have to take 1 now. Whoa! That was close! Oh boy, that was a close one, Dennis. Oh, I'm still losing so much traction there. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna get 3rd. We started 5th. I'll take that. All right, good race, good race, good race. Well, we're back for qualifying race 2. This thing has a sound to it that I am unsure what it is, so that's good. The seat was already coming back on me, so that's also good. So we'll see how this goes. Here we go. Oh boy, I hit that one real good. Oh, that's funny. Okay, a little more grip there than last time. That's good. That's good. Boy, Clay is right on my butt. I'll tell you what. Well, we're gonna have to defend as hard as we can. I don't know what that noise is. There is a noise. I think it's probably tire related. That's probably not good. Yep, you are right on my butt. You're gonna have to take that Joker, Clay. Oh no, bud. Oh no. Okay. Bro! Ah! Okay, you don't have to take that Joker. Alright, that's fine. I should have took the Joker. Oh! Oh no! He's taking a cone with him! He's taking a cone with him! I should have took the Joker. Well, back in a second.
2 seconds later.
Yeah, this thing is making a sound, I'll tell you what. Alright, that's one. We got one out of the way. One Joker left. I definitely don't feel as fast as I expect Clay to be. So we'll just try to do our best here. Okay. Alright. Alright. We got one left. We'll try to wait as long as we can. Yep, there goes Clay. Alright. Yeah, he's a bit faster than me right now. Yeah, this kart feels a little down on top speed. I'm not really sure it's like horrible, but it's not good. Whatever this noise is certainly contributing to to my lap times, I'm sure. That's okay. We'll do our best. I'm not really doing that turn as well as I was in the past. I'll say that as well. So there's certainly some blame on me here. Man, he hit one left too? What the heck? Man, it runs so fast. My kart must have been trash. Holy brother. Alright, well. Alright, we're back for the feature race. You know, I finished third in the previous one. My kart was apparently worse than I expected. So my excuse for tonight is going to be, man, these karts are tough for me. Hopefully this one's okay, but it is already... I'm pretty sure this tire's rubbing. It has a wear pattern in a bizarre way. And it's already making some noise, and I'm already being passed by the beginning of the group. Okay, so this is going to be probably not good either. This thing is slow as heck. Oh my goodness, it is not good. I think. Oh boy! Oh boy, sorry. Ugh. Yeah, this is, this one is not good. Well, we'll see what we can do. Oh boy, I probably should just take a joker. What am I doing? I shouldn't be following this. This thing is tough. Let's go, Dennis. Oh my gosh, I am getting pulled on so badly. This is not good. I actually might rage quit this if I get too far behind. I'm not even kidding. not a rage quit really, but this is what can we, what are we doing, bro? I am going to get lapped, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, this is not good. I gotta take a joker to see if I can get back into this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh boy, what is happening here? Jeez, oh man. This is bad. I might just stop. It's really bad. Just go, just go, just go, just go, just go. We're gonna pull in because this is like really bad.